Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Whop can't log in. If you're having trouble signing into Whop, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by a browser setting, stored cache, or a temporary connection problem. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a simple troubleshooting process that can help you get back into your account. To begin, open your browser and go to a Google search for Whop login. This helps make sure you're starting from the correct place and trying to access the official login page. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that the page is loading properly. Next, double-check your internet connection. This is an important first check because login issues can sometimes happen when your connection is weak, unstable, or briefly interrupted. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, you may want to wait a moment for the connection to stabilize before continuing. If your internet looks fine, move to the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens your browser options where you can access tools that often help resolve login problems. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into your browser's main settings area, where privacy and stored browsing data can be managed. Problems signing in are sometimes caused by outdated cookies or cached files that interfere with websites loading correctly. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section includes the controls for browsing history, cookies, cache, and other site data. These items can be useful for faster browsing, but occasionally they can also cause conflicts with login pages. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. This opens the cleanup panel where you can remove stored information from your browser. Clearing this data can often fix login loops, failed sign-ins, or pages that don't respond the way they should. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, select All Time as the time range. Then click Delete. Choosing all time ensures that any older corrupted data is removed, not just recent files. Keep in mind that this may sign you out of some websites, so you may need to log back into other accounts afterward. Once the browser finishes deleting the data, return to the Whop login page and try signing in again. In many cases, this process solves the problem by giving the site a fresh start in your browser. That's it. By checking your connection and clearing your browser data, you've completed the main steps to fix Whop login issues.